This is my RC plane, which I have previously flown quite a few times, and most recently, I was flying it in our yard when I was trying to land going towards the house. I'm sure you can imagine how that ended. And after that rather unskillful moment, the nose is a little crooked. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna go. Not sure how much that will affect its actual flying, but we're gonna try it. We're out here in a nice open field today, so there's not too much I can hit. Hey! Hey!
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay. Yeah.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Yeah. This is something new, walking up to my plane being upright in one piece after I landed it. That's awesome. This feels amazing. As you can see, she made it back in one piece. So I guess that amazingly crooked nose didn't affect it too much. It did seem to kind of want to roll a little bit one way, but I didn't really notice all that much. So I think it's fine. Unfortunately, I only have one very tiny battery for this plane, so that's all the runtime I get for now. That was super fun to fly. I haven't flown this in like a couple of months, so I really enjoyed that. I had a very successful launch, first try actually. That's probably the first time that's ever happened. Very successful landing as well. So this flight was a massive success. I had a ton of fun. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos about this plane, you can click right here for that. And if you want to see more plane videos in general from this channel, you can click right here for that. I've filmed a couple other planes, so you should go check those videos out. They're pretty sweet. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.